I'm frying some chicken thighs right now, and I've been wanting to try the Idaho mashed potato, so I thought why not mix them together. This is like endorsed by Craig Adams. If you guys haven't heard of him, he does the best hiking videos out there. He probably inspired millions of people, including myself, to get out there. And yeah, make sure you guys check him out. So this says 2 cups of water. I'm not sure what 2 cups mean, so I'll just go with filling. I'll heat up the water a little bit before I pour in the powder. I wonder how this is made. Do they cook the potato first and then like grind it? Anyways, I'm really looking forward to try this. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Okay, looks like I need way more water. Okay. Yep, tastes like mashed potato. Alright, chicken thigh with mashed potato. Trying the mashed potato first. Okay. Okay. Yeah, quick and easy. Pretty amazing. Now I'm gonna eat the chicken thigh. Okay, there you go. Idaho mashed potato with chicken thigh. See you guys next time.